What's just that question? I mean, what to do in the market scenario, which has done so well. The run-up has been phenomenal. We are basically making new all-time highs. The corrections and the falls which come, they're short-lived, they're sharp. Not sharp, actually, they're shallow and very, very short-lived. 2-3 days, 2-3% of the market sort of moves back up once again. So what is the thing to do?
So the way I'd frame it is like in the markets, you get returns from two sources. Either multiple expansion, the PE multiple expands, or you get earnings growth, right? I don't think anybody would argue at this point that multiples are cheap and multiples should expand further. They might, but I wouldn't bank on that, right? So really what you have to play for is earnings growth, right? And earnings growth then depends on what happens in the economy, right? Now, I'm of the view, and I think I share that with everybody else, that the economy is likely to do well over the next 2 to 3 years. So if the economy does well over the next 2 to 3 years, the sectors that will do well, right, the increment normally comes from the cyclical sectors, right, the domestic cyclicals. So these would be things like automobiles, financial services, cement, and capital goods. I know they've done well already, but if there is likely to be a positive earnings surprise, I would still play these sectors.
Anish, I mean,
I'll make one more point.
Yes,
Between
please.
large bid and small cap, our view is that risk-return trade-off is clearly in favor of large caps at this point.
Nilesh bhai.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube. The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC TV 18 and CNBC-TV18.com.